This video will show you how to clean and maintain the Smeg EMC02 Mini Pro coffee machine. To ensure good machine operation and the production of excellent quality beverages, a few simple daily cleaning operations are recommended, such as cleaning the filter holder and filters, the cup grill, the drip tray, and the tamper. It's also important to regularly clean the water tank and the steam wand. To clean the filters, remove from the portafilter and rinse under running water. Make sure they're thoroughly dried before reusing. For the cup grill, drip tray and water tank, remove, empty and wash under running water, and if necessary, wash using a neutral washing up detergent. Thoroughly rinse before drying and return to the machine. The brewing unit should be cleaned at least once a week. A brush is supplied with the machine and can be used to remove the residues of coffee powder from the housing unit and duct. For the dispensing unit, use a detergent tablet suitable for household coffee machines. Insert the blank filter into the filter holder and add the cleaning tablet. Insert the portafilter into the brew unit and place a container with a capacity of at least 500 millilitres underneath the filter holder nozzles. Fill the tank with fresh water up to the maximum level. To pull the cleaning solution through the machine, use the manual lever. After 10 seconds, pull the lever downwards to end the dispensing. Repeat this process 4 times. At the end, remove the portafilter and the blank filter. Before dispensing your next coffee, attach the portafilter again, including the filter. Flush the circuit with fresh water. Due to the collection of milk in the steam wand, this should be cleaned after every use. Begin by positioning the tip of the steam wand on the cup grill over the dedicated hole. Ensure the steam mode is selected and turn the dial. Allow any milk remaining inside to escape for a few seconds. Then return the dial to the neutral position to stop dispensing. Dry the steam wand using a damp cloth. To check that the steam wand isn't blocked with dried milk, use a needle to clean this intricate area. Finally, to keep the external surfaces in good condition, clean with a soft damp cloth. Ensure that the machine is switched off and cool to touch before wiping down. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel.